Evening, everyone. I'm meteorologist James Parish in the Dick Goddard Weather Center, and we're going to break down the upcoming work week in just a matter of moments. But for right now, we are wrapping up a sunny and very warm summer day, so I hope you got a chance to get outside at least at some point today and enjoy the sunshine and those warm temperatures. Let's take a closer look at the numbers for today. Officially in Cleveland, we bottomed out at 66 degrees this morning. Then this afternoon, we warmed to 87 degrees. That's 4 degrees above normal for this time of year, but still nowhere near that record high for today, which is August 4th. 97 degrees set back in 1930. Now it is still a bit toasty out there right now. Temperatures are in the mid to upper 80s. Officially in Cleveland, 87 degrees. Lorraine's at 88. Mansfield's at 87. 88 in New Philadelphia. Worcester's at 87, 86 in Akron Canton, 85 in Youngstown, and 81 right now in Ashtabula. We saw some showers and storms develop to our southwest, moving off to the southeast, just south of Findlay, right around the I-75 corridor. These rain showers, downpours, and storms will likely not impact our far southwestern communities this evening, and I do expect we are going to stay dry. It is going to be a great evening to maybe fire up the grill, throw some hamburgers and hot dogs out on the grill. Just enjoy the outdoors this evening. Still going to be a bit toasty through at least 8 o'clock this evening, as temperatures will still be above 80 degrees through at least 8 or 9 o'clock this evening. Then temperatures will slowly drop to the 70s and into the 60s during the overnight hours. And by first thing tomorrow morning, most of us will wake up to temperatures in the mid to upper 60s, but Cleveland's likely going to be hanging out near 70 degrees. Now let's talk about the upcoming work week and what you need to know. Now tomorrow is going to be a very warm and muggy day. Monday looks like it's going to be the warmest day this week, but there's also going to be the potential for some scattered rain showers, downpours, and storms, especially during the second half of the day. But for right now, it looks like the highest chance of rain this week, and probably when that rain and storm activity will be the most widespread across northeast Ohio, looks like that day is going to be Tuesday. Now Wednesday, it's back to some sunshine and some dry weather, and by midweek we're going to see a drop in the heat and the humidity as well. So Wednesday looks like it's going to be a pretty pleasant summer day. If I had to say which day this week looks like it's going to be the pick day of the work week, Wednesday looks like it's going to be that day. Still not looking too hot on Thursday and Friday, with highs only in the upper 70s to near 80 degrees. So during the second half of the work week, it looks like temperatures will struggle to get out of the 70s, which is actually below normal for this time of year. So let's take a closer look at our rain and even our storm chances for early this week. So for tomorrow, a slow-moving cold front will drop south into northeast Ohio. So by Monday afternoon, especially Monday evening, scattered rain showers, downpours, and storms will develop ahead of this front. Now, with all the heat and humidity that's building out ahead of the front, a few of the storms that develop during this time could be strong, produce some gusty winds, maybe even some damaging wind gusts, as well as the potential for some locally heavy rainfall, especially if we do see any slow-moving storms that happen to train over some areas that may have already seen some heavy rain over the last couple of days, or if showers and storms do train over each other tomorrow afternoon through tomorrow evening. Now this same front will likely stall out somewhere across Ohio on Tuesday. So this front will still be close enough to northeast Ohio, and it's going to team up with an area of low pressure to bring in another round of showers and storms on Tuesday. And once again, probably the coverage of rain on Tuesday will likely be the most widespread this week. Now Tuesday still does not look like it's going to be a complete washout, so if you do have outdoor plans on Tuesday, don't cancel them, but you're probably going to want to keep a close eye on the radar because once again, rain and storms will be likely. This front will finally drop south across the area by midweek, so it's back to some sunshine and dry weather on Wednesday, and with that northerly flow, we're probably going to see a drop in the heat and the humidity. Now with that front being draped somewhere across Ohio, we're probably going to, on Tuesday, we're probably going to see a big temperature range. Places south of the front could be well into the 80s, while places north of the front may not get out of the 70s. So for tonight, my forecast low, 70 degrees. It will be mostly clear, south wind at around 5 to 10 miles per hour. For tomorrow, we will top out at 88 degrees, still looking very warm and muggy, but once again, we will be tracking some scattered rain showers, downpours, and storms, mainly during the second half of the day, late Monday afternoon through Monday evening. Now, before we get to your 8-day forecast, let's take a closer look at Debbie. Debbie is still a tropical storm producing maximum sustained winds at 65 miles per hour, and it is moving off to the north at 12 miles per hour. Now, Debbie is expected to strengthen into a Category 1 hurricane as it approaches the Big Bend of Florida overnight into first thing Monday morning. So it's likely going to make landfall as a Category 1 hurricane sometime Monday morning into Monday afternoon. Now, the big problem with Debbie isn't necessarily going to be the wind, but it's going to be the rain, because Debbie is not going to be in a hurry to move north. You can see how slow Debbie's actually going to move north across the southeastern part of the United States. So that means heavy rainfall or historic rainfall will be possible this week for parts of northern Florida, southeast Georgia, and even South Carolina. This is where catastrophic flooding will be possible as we head through the work week with just how slow Debbie is going to move. So some parts of Georgia and South Carolina could see over a foot of rain this week from Debbie alone. This is something we're going to keep a close eye on. As of right now, it does not look like Debbie's going to have a huge impact on our weather here locally. Here's your 8-day forecast. 88 degrees for tomorrow, very warm and muggy. Highest chance of rain tomorrow will be during the afternoon and evening hours as that slow-moving cold front does move through. Highest coverage of rain and storm activity this week looks like it's going to be on Tuesday with a high of 80 degrees. We will see temperatures only topping out in the upper 70s to near 80 degrees, not only Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday during the upcoming work week, but perhaps next weekend through early next weekend as well. So if you're not a fan of the heat and the humidity, well, you're going to get a break from that heat and the humidity, and perhaps an extended break as high temperatures will be below normal for this time of year starting midweek, and that could continue through the upcoming weekend. I hope you had a great weekend this weekend. Hope you got a chance to get outside at some point today. Enjoy the sunshine and those warm temperatures. Once again, we will keep a close eye on those showers and storms tomorrow afternoon through tomorrow evening. And of course, I'll have the very latest forecast for you coming up at 6:30 on Fox 8, and then once again at 10 o'clock this evening as well. I hope you have a great night.